Hi students, today I want to show you how to record your listening assessment in your ePortfolio. So you need to click on classwork, then click on ePortfolio, scroll down on the left hand side until you see that ePortfolio. Click on your folder. Then you will see hopefully that you just have one assessment here, and just click on it to see that it is a listening assessment. Double click to check your score. You can scroll down on the right hand side by clicking and dragging with your left finger. Click with your left, drag with your right. You can see her score was 14 out of 14. And I can also see, scroll down to just below your name, and you find your individual tracking score is a 4. So 4 is good. 3 or 4 is good. So now I need to go back. So click back. And I want to move this into my listening folder. So we need to find that. So click in the middle right here with your left finger, and with your right finger you can bring this up and drop it in your listening. It says listening. You want to move it, click move. You can undo it if you want, or X. So double click on listening to see that it's there. So this student has another assessment and the buying and selling used items. Good. Click on your name to bring you back to the main page. Click on inventory sheets. Double click. Double click. Now you need to record it. And it is a listening, so let's click on listening. Now this is too big. Let's make it smaller. Click on the zoom. Go down to 75. Now we can see that this student already has a number 1 listening assessment. Click on the box where you see the date. Click the arrow on your keyboard, arrow down. Now go to the next empty listening artifact. This one is number 2. Yours could be number 3 or number 4. Write today's date. Click on the box, and you're going to write whatever today's date is. And click on the task and write buying a used item. Click formal assessment. Click getting things done. Arrow down. Write your score, whatever you got out of 14. And this student was successful, a 3 or a 4. So if you got a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you get successful. If you got a 9 or lower, you are a 2, almost there. So my students, that is how you record your information in about your listening assessment into your ePortfolio.